Today's recipe is so quick and simple that even your kids can help you make this during a hot summer day. Today we are making cucumber salsa bites. Let's see how it's done. Today we are combining refreshing and crunchy cucumbers along with some chatpata salsa to make cucumber bites. We are going to start by preparing the salsa. So in this bowl, I'm going to start with some onions, a deseeded tomato which is chopped finely, half a capsicum. This is again chopped finely. To make it nice and chatpata, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of raw mango. This is again chopped finely. Next, I'm adding in a little bit of garlic, 1 green chilli, and some freshly chopped coriander leaves, juice of half a lemon, little bit of chaat masala to make it nice and chatpata. Next, I'm adding in salt to taste. Give this a good mix. Our chatpata salsa is now ready. You can also make this your own by adding a tablespoon of ketchup if you like it. Now I'm going to refrigerate it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And the great thing is you can prepare this in advance, and then once you're ready, you can prepare your cucumbers. For this recipe today, I'm using English cucumbers. I like to use English cucumbers because they are really sturdy and do not leave out a lot of water when we cut into them. Now I'm going to chop it into large chunks. Another great thing about English cucumbers is that you can have them with their skin on. They are never bitter. I'm going to cut them into chunks like this that are around an inch tall. So using a spoon, I'm just going to remove the seeds. You can also use a knife for this if you like. Remove all the excess water, making sure you leave this side intact so that it acts like a small cup for your salsa. I'm going to do the same thing for the other chunks as well. As you can see, the skin on the English cucumbers is extremely thin, so when you bite into it, it won't have an off taste. Instead of discarding a bowl full of cucumber seeds and the water that is left over with it, what you can do is blend it up and use it in your face packs or as a remedy for sunburn. What you can also do is crush it up, add a little bit of black salt, some mint leaves, and turn it into a refreshing cooler. Now we're going to assemble our cucumber salsa bites. Before plating, I'll just wipe off the ends of the cucumber on a paper towel. The cucumber cups are now ready to be filled up with some chilled salsa. Just spoon over some salsa into the cups. I'm going to garnish each of these bites with a quartered cherry tomato to add a nice pop of color and tang as well. Our delicious looking cucumber salsa bites are ready to serve. Give this recipe a try, and if you're involving your kids while making this, do let us know your experience in the comment section below. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.